Hello, sixth grade. Today we are going to learn how to divide fractions. Now, you guys are used to seeing a problem just like this. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. You have a dividend that's a whole number, 15. You have your division symbol, and then you have a divisor of 3, and your quotient is a whole number as well. Today, your dividend is going to be a whole number, but your divisor is going to be a fraction. So for example, we're going to be looking at problems just like this. 2 divided by 1/3. Now, notice here, we have our whole number as our dividend, 2, but our divisor is going to be a fraction as 1/3. So let me insert a drawing and let's get another picture of this so we can take a closer look and experiment with this. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to use squares for this problem. Notice we have one square here and another square here. This represents the 2. Now what we need to do is divide this into 3 pieces. Each whole square needs to be broken into thirds, which is what has already been done in this picture. Now what we're going to do is we are simply going to count how many thirds we see. Right here I see 1, I see 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, my quotient, or my answer to this division problem, 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6. And there you go. Now let's try another one. Let's save this and close. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? Let's try this problem right here. Insert drawing one more time. And now in this case, we're going to do that one next. First, I would like to do this one. In this case, again, notice we have 3 circles. And what are they broken into? 6. Why? Because we need to know 3 divided by 1/6. This 1/6 tells us to break these 3 circles into 6 equal pieces. Now again, I'm going to count how many 6 I see in these 3 whole circles. So I have 1 here, another 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Therefore, our quotient for 3 divided by 1/6 is going to be 18. So let's try one more. Now I would like to do this one that I want to go back to. This one's a little bit different. It's not maybe as simple as the last 2. Now notice we still have 2 divided by 2/5. In this case, we have 2 full rectangles and we divided them into fifths. Now notice we only want to know divided by 2/5. So instead of counting by 1/5, we are going to count by 2/5. So right here we have 1/5 and 2/5. So this, these 2 pieces, I want to try to color in these 2 pieces. These 2 pieces are going to count as one group. These 2 pieces are 2/5, so we have one set of 2/5. Here's another set right here, these 2. But now notice I have 1/5 here, but now we need to go into the next rectangle. So we have another set here, and this goes together with this. It's pretty bad scribble. But notice I'm coloring in 2/5. And now I have another 2/5 right here, and another 2/5 here. Now, even though my scribble did not turn out too well, this and this counts as a group of 2/5 as well. So right here we have 1 group, 2 groups, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, the quotient of 2 divided by 2/5 is going to be 5. Now, as we continue doing problems today, you might start to see a pattern. You might start to find a little hint that will help you. My goal is for you to discover this hint on your own. And the more you keep practicing with these models, it will help you to discover this little hint that you might know or you might have heard before, or maybe you will discover this today to help you solve these problems when we are dealing with dividing fractions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope these little visual models help you and help you solve the problems that we are going to do today.